Vashti and I can't ride. Go, Vashti. Oo, hindi kami marunong mag-bike. Oo. Wait for me! Tatlo kami. Tatlo. Oh my goodness. Oh, electric. Electric din pala siya. Mas okay pa yung mag-electric kaysa yung mag-pedal kasi hindi kami marunong mag-pedal. Oh my God, this is fun. Fun, fun, fun. Vashti, wait for me. Naano pa yung nabaliktad ko. Okay, let's go. Go, go, go. Mahirap kasi yung electric at saka ano. Hello guys. There's Vashti. Vashti, faster. Hello everybody. We're here. Oo. Oo, sa ano? Sa ano ba yun? 360. Eh, paano ako makabilyon dyan ka naman sa ano? Okay, make it fast! Vashti doesn't know how to ride a bike. Hello guys.
Alright, green light, let's go! Well,
Why you don't use the electric thing? Let's go back. Let's go to the pier. Let's go to the pier. Vashti, Vashti. Wait for me. Come over here. Over here. find how we're going to extend the time.
When you're smiling, the whole world smiles with you. When you're
Wait for me.
under the oh, such a hungry yearning
Okay. Now. Oo. Okay. Go, go, go. Hello, good morning everyone. We're here at Santa Monica. We're riding a bicycle with Vashti. Hi Vashti. Hi Jaden. Jaden is over there and we're going to the pier. And I love the weather. It's not sunny. It's foggy, guys. It's foggy and I love to ride the bike. Oh, we forgot to put the sunscreen. Yeah, good thing the weather is good. It's not sunny. Can you see? There's no sun and it's anong oras na dyan? 10? Oh, 10:55 in the morning, guys, and look at the weather. We're so lucky today. Yun nga lang si Johnny hindi siya sumama sa amin. Ayaw niya sumama eh. Ayaw niyang sumama, guys. Eh, ang ganda pa nung spot namin. I wonder if we can take the bicycle in the pier, the bridge. Ask Jaden if faster, Vashti. Whoa, you're too fast. Faster. Let's see if we can take the bicycle in the bridge. Huh? Ask Jaden. Faster, girl. Hello. Ganda naman yun. Faster, Basti. Jaden, check if we can take the bicycle in the bridge. No, there's the one that we can. Did you see that one? Going up there? I think they close it. Did you see this man went there?
I'm like, well, I can tell you you're wrong about that. We're about to make a turn.
Let's go back there. All the way there. Let's go there again. I thought we can take this thing in there. Cause do you wanna park this one? We're gonna then let's go there. Yeah, we're gonna resume. We're gonna post it.